We are back again with Pasco Made Easy with Senana as we go through questions and how we can answer them in core mathematics. We are looking at change of subject. So if you are studying change of subject, this is the right video for you. Remember to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can get all the videos on time. Now let's consider the question for this video. It says that given that A is equal to BC and N is equal to MK all over EC, express K in terms of A, B, E, M, and K, right? And then find correct to three significant figures, the values of K when A is equal to negative 3 over 2, B is equal to negative 4, E is equal to 6, M is equal to 2, and N is equal to 5. So let's look at how we can solve this question. So with this question, we have been given N, right? So let's write N out. N is equal to MK all over EC. Let's call this equation 1 because they've given us another one where they've given us A is equal to BC. Right, let's call this equation 2. Right, we want to express K in terms of N, M, E, B, and A. So we realize that the C should not be part of the expression, right? When you look at the question very carefully, we are expressing it in terms of A, B, E, M, and K. That is a trick here. So once they give you, look at the one that is not in it, what we are not asked to express in terms of. So that is C, right? So we'll take the equation 2, where we have the C, which is an easier expression, and make C the subject there. So making C the subject there, we can divide both sides by the coefficient of the C, which is B, this side by B, right? So that would make our C to be equal to A over B. Let's call this equation 3, right? So we want to put equation 3 into equation 1, right? So that all of them can be in terms of M, K, N, E, A, and B, right? So it means that our N should be equal to M, K all over E. Where we see C, we'll put what? A over B there, right? So we'll have our N to be equal to MK all over EA over B, right? So we can rewrite this as N to be equal to MK divided by EA all over B, right? So you can write N to be equal to MK multiplied by B all over EA, right? So we have N to be equal to BMK all over EA, right? So we can multiply the N by EA. So we have AEN to be equal to BMK. Then we divide both sides by the coefficient of the K, which is BM, then this side by BM, right? So that our K should be equal to AEN all over BM. Now, we have been able to find an expression for K in terms of A, E, N, B, and then M, right? So we have done the first part of the question. Now, the second part of the question, we must ensure that we try and express K when we have been given some values, right? So in the question, they gave us a value for A to be negative 3 over 2. So A is equal to negative 3 over 2. And then we've been given B to be equal to negative 4. We've been given our E to be equal to 6. Our M to be equal to 2. And then our N to be equal to negative 5. So all we'll do is just do a substitution. So it means that our K should be equal to negative 3 over 2 multiplied by E, which is 6, right? Multiplied by N, which is 5, all over B, which is negative 4, multiplied by m, which is 2, right? So let's take our time and look at it one by one. Here you can use your calculator, and then you'll be able to get your final answer. So if not, 2 go here 1, 2 go here 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 should give us 9, right? The negative is here, so negative 9. 9 times 5 should be 45, right? So you have 45, which is negative 45, all over 4 times 2, which will be negative 8, right? So this will cancel this. So we have k. Always have mentioned that when you have a fraction that is in the improper form, you must change it to mixed form. So 8 will go into 45 how many times? 8 1, 8, 8 to 16, 8 to 24, 8 4, 32, 8 5, 40. So 5 whole number, right? So 40 multiplied by subtracting 45, we left with what? 5. So 5 over 8. So it means k is equal to 5 whole number, 5 over 8. So in this question, first we were able to express k in terms of a, b, e, m, and then k. And then we've been able to do a substitutions where we've been able to find the value of k when we have been given the value of a, b, e, m, n, n. So remember to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.